I think we're so used to seeing picture perfect houses all the time, and we forget that, clutter is normal and dirt is normal. Now, I'm not gonna say that my laundry room is not pretty because it is really, really pretty. However, I was really neglecting this space. So I just dedicated my Saturday to refilling, restocking, decluttering my laundry room to make it like super pretty again. And please let this be a reminder that clutter is normal, that dirt is normal, that having a picture perfect house is for the internet. But it's not normal life. It is not for the average person, and you should never feel guilty for not having a perfect house. Your house is supposed to serve you and your family and meet your needs, not the other way around. You're not supposed to exist to serve your house. And for me, this is for me. I like to be tidy and organized because it allows me to be a more functioning adult in my house. However, this doesn't make me a better person.